This thing sits so low, it's hard to put these things in.
Can you jack it now? Just be careful you head. Buat kerja.
I'm pretty sure I saw it move. Let me test it with my hand. Pretty sure I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Gonna spill the oil now. Ooh! Yuck! Here the tissue. Oh my god. It's so black. It looks like a metal. This is satisfying.
Yeah, I waited a little too long to change this oil. Look at how brown it is. It'd probably be easier from up top.
I think you need to wait till it's very dry.
And get the new oil.
Pour the oil.
4 quarts, yeah.
4 quarts. And this bottle have 5 quarts.
Yeah, so we need to leave
So
1
we need
quart.
to leave 1 quart. So clear. This is golden liquid.
Right here. Use the whole bottle except for this.
Okay, this is the last. So full, right? Then oil changing done. Air filter done. Ready to go shopping. The color is different.
Yeah, depends on what brand you get.
The blue one is new, the white one is the old. Need to throw away.
Yeah.
All done. I think all good. No leak. So far it's good.